What you doing, bro?
I'm trying to drill a hole, but it won't stay on the hole that I marked. Drill big stuff. That's what you have me working with.
What you mean? You bought those?
No, I didn't.
You chose those.
Yeah, but like 6 years ago.
Well, that's not my fault.
Yes.
Go get new ones.
You go get new ones.
Go. Yo. So we have the FZR, the infamous FZR that everybody always asks about, is in the house, and unfortunately, you guys haven't seen it because we blew it up. We blew it up a couple videos ago when we went to West Palm to go race. My tuner Brian was on it, and we were turning it up, and it ended up dropping a valve. It is what it is. That's racing, and now we get to fix it and make it better. We're in the process of pulling the motor out right now. We already got the cams that were in here out into another head that I already have set up. So we're basically gonna take this motor apart, take out the rods and pistons and the crank out of here. I have another block that I'm gonna build that motor, put it in here, and then this block is gonna get like some crazy treatment. So yeah, we're just gonna take off all the nitrous lines, take off the turbo setup, you know, just get it ready to pull out and fix it. All right, and look at how disgusting this looks in here. So, unfortunately, this motor always had an issue with leaking oil, and I'll show you guys what we tried to fix on it. It's very common on these. The casting sucks over here, so we actually JB welded it, and it worked fine with the supercharged motor, but once we went turbo, it just started leaking like crazy all over the place. So the new head is gonna fix that whole oily situation that this ski has, and hopefully we could keep the inside you know, looking fairly clean and really nice. So but yeah, unfortunately this thing is a disaster, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna clean it up, make it look nice, make it better. All right, we are about to rip the head off of this thing so we could show you guys the damage, and then put it right back so I can drop it off our back. All right. Oh my Jesus!
It was a valve.
It was a valve. Let me see the bottom. Damn.
Oh, that was valve.
That's rough, boy.
The valve seats are big.
Valve man. Yo, you know what the best part is? That it broke up, so you know the block is good.
Yeah.
Nice. That is the best part, yo. I don't gotta freaking buy a new block or mess with the block.
If it didn't blow up, you would have just put like 50 pounds less of boost than the 150 pounds that you had on there.
150 pounds of boost. Wow.
It was already out and you got stuck.
Damn. That's rough, boy. All right. Yo, leave me a comment. Whoever wants this valve and piston, I'll send it out to you. I need a bunch of likes though. I need 5,000 likes and I'll send this out to whoever comments on the video. Yeah, 5,000 likes and comments. Whoever can make the best joke about this gets the rod and piston. Or no, not the rod, I need the rod. The piston. You're just getting the piston and the valve. All right, we have moved on to the cleaning process. And look at how the oil and the degreaser is reacting in there. That's freaking gross. Get this thing cleaned up in here, respray it, should be done. ASMR.
What?
ASMR.
What the hell is ASMR?
I don't know, something about like whispering and like loud noises. I don't know. Yo, weird as fuck. Yo, so we got some progress on the FZRs, you guys can see. It's nice and black again, but we got to touch up the back area here. For the most part, everything in the front looks pretty good. Yo, did you guys see that, man? No more freaking disaster vomit ski. We went ahead, cleaned everything out, repainted the whole interior of the ski here, so this thing is ready to go in here. We do got to change a few hoses that were all full of oil and saturated, so we're gonna switch those out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start getting all my turbo stuff and moving it to the back room over here. I made a little open area on the shelf back here for me to keep these parts, because I don't want my parts to get mixed up with anybody else's parts. So got a little area down there. But yo, want to say something about the website. I appreciate all you guys going on that website and grabbing merch. We're running pretty low on all the shirts that we have back here, and you know, it just shows that there's a lot of people out there that support the business, man. I want to say thanks. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button. At 25,000, we're almost there. I think we're at like 21 something. At 25,000 subscribers, we're gonna begin the build on the Sea-Doo Spark that I have, that orange one that I ride once in a while. And that's gonna be a giveaway on the channel. So we're gonna do something with the merch. You buy a special shirt and you get entered to win that Spark. So we're gonna do like the exhaust system, the air intake, a flash, or if we just, you know, spice it up and, you know, straight pipe it, make it loud and crazy. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you have a chance to get at that and get the merch when I drop it. Hit the like button, guys. It helps the channel big time. Like I said, thanks again for everybody that picks up merch. If you guys don't know the website, it's jpracinginconline.com. Head over there, man, pick up some product. I am actually on vacation right now. Had to take a freaking break from the whole jet ski thing, man. And we're out here in Colorado. This is Estes Parker. Yo, we out here, we're on some random trail that's highlighted on the GPS. And there's something biting me. Okay. And yeah, we're just gonna try to get through these trails and make it back home before sundown, and hopefully we make it out. So, let's do this. Hey, oh. All right, they made it. Holy crap. Yo, as you guys can see, we are not on the water. Yo, we are out here in some RZRs in the middle. The girls are terrified right now, I bet. Holy crap, I don't even know. We're gonna have to figure this whole thing out here. Alright. You got that? You gotta give it some throttle. Eat that shit. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Alright, we made it to the end. We gotta turn around on this trail. As you guys can see right there. Try to hit it somewhere up over here. Try to get back on this track here, so should be a fun trip back. I don't even know where the girls are. Alright guys, so we are about done with this free roaming RZR rental, side-by-side rental. So we got about 10 minutes left before we gotta hit it back to the parking lot. So I'm just gonna rip it through this whole trip. Ripping time. Yo, this is pretty dope. If I lived in Colorado, I would probably have a side-by-side and be on this mountain every single day. Until I got bored of it. There we go. So I'm waiting for the girls to come down the hill because they told us to come down the hill and bust a U-turn because it's a real like tight turn. So I'm gonna try to help them out because they're taking forever. Peaceful Valley. Okay. Wow, look at how pretty. Wow. It's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Oh, I think I hear them. Nope, just kidding. Yo, if they made the turn, they're fucking genius, yo. I don't think that. I think they might have tried to make the turn. Alright, well. I didn't think you guys were gonna do the turn.
You did it.
Damn. I was like, let me go down there and help them turn around.
I thought about it and she was like, you could do it.
Damn. Alright, let me give these things back. Alright guys, next thing that we're doing while we're out here in Colorado is ziplining. You guys can check it out right there. There's a big zipline tower. Has a couple towers there, and then way up top there's the really high tower, I'm assuming. Because it has 537,000 steps you gotta climb to get to it. So that looks like it's gonna be fun. But yeah, it looks like you hit that one there and then take it all the way across this side of the hill and
like so.
it's on.
Yeah, I got the red recording on it.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Heck yeah. Hi YouTube. Watch me clip them in right. Look at that. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. So good. Your glasses aren't gonna fall off there?
Oh shit, I forgot about those. Good call, yo. They're just gas station glasses.
Oh. They look fresh though. Yeah, I'll go to go.
Later.
Clear.
Yo, that one was sketch.
Why?
I don't know, it just felt sketchier. Probably because I have the GoPro on my head and it's like making my head bobble.
Yeah.
Whew.
It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all.
Oh, it's still there? So I don't know how you find this.
Alright.
Wow.
Thanks.
Wow, what an improvement. It was the candy. You're not shaking as much. Your sugar was low. Yo, what's up guys? Today you are catching me inside of the truck, man. We have been crazy busy at the shop. It's hard for me to be in the shop and sending out packages, and you know, just I'm kind of getting pulled all over the place. But anyways, it's usually like that right after vacation. If you guys seen this video, we did go to Colorado for about a week, and now we're literally just, well, I am catching up here at the shop. But I wanted to give a quick shout out to my boys at the shop, man. Angel and Travis, they held it down for that week that I wasn't there. Everything went smooth, man, no issues. So real happy with my employees, man, and they're just knocking it out the park and learning every day. And you know, same with me, I'm learning every day as well. So just want to give a shout out to them, man, and say, you know, I appreciate you guys. But yo, another thing I wanted to say was thanks to everybody that supports the shop, man. We are so busy, not only with work at the shop, but the website. I would never have thought that the website was going to take off the way it took off, and it shows that, you know, we have a nice, loyal, you know, decent fan base out there. And I want to say thanks to you guys. Yo, I'm at the shipping place right now, and just these are not just shirts, guys. These are parts, shirts, you know, stuff that we haven't even released yet. I guess this is literally the support that I'm getting from everybody, and I just want to say I greatly appreciate it. We got Ohio over here, Massachusetts, Texas, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, California, Oklahoma, Tennessee, New Jersey. I mean, there's stuff just going all over the place, and you know, it's all because of you guys, man. So as long as our website says that the parts are in stock, we definitely have the parts in stock. I update that website every single day, and you know, I'm trying to make sure that I give everybody that decides to go with our brand a whole different customer experience.